को इकट्ठा होना पड़ेगा। ये चुनाव एक तरफ दिल्ली के लोग हैं और एक तरफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी है जिसकी गंदी राजनीति है। इस बार हमें इनकी गंदी राजनीति को खत्म करना है।
So that was the first reaction we got from Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal. Now we have a reaction coming in from Congress leader Sandeep Dixit as well, who has spoken exclusively to Times Now. His charge is that the scheme by Aam Aadmi Party is fraudulent. He is also now demanding an apology from the Aam Aadmi Party government. Listen in to this reaction.
Sir, you had given 3 complaints to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. Now the LG has ordered probe in all of these 3 complaints. What is your first reaction to it?
My first reaction is I thank the Lieutenant Governor. I had pointed out to the fact, just give me a minute or two to explain, that when Aam Aadmi Party launched the Mahila Samman Yojana and said that they will give 2,100 rupees to every woman, I think that's a fair thing that any party can do. Every party is within their right to come out with a promise and ask the people if they want to vote to them on that promise. At that time, our attack on the Aam Aadmi Party, which is a legitimate attack, is that you had done a similar promise in Punjab almost 2.5, 3 years back. I think the amount was 1,500 or something. You have not given a single pie to the women there. So how can anybody believe that what you could not do in Punjab, you will do in Delhi? If you fooled and frauded the voters of Punjab, you would do the same in Delhi, which is a legitimate question we can ask them. Secondly, we were also asking that why is it that in Delhi you did never implemented this scheme if it was a part of your overall thinking in Punjab? Because Congress has done that in its states in southern India. Even BJP, let me say, in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, although they did it just before their elections, had implemented a similar scheme. The Aam Aadmi Party, of course, was not giving any reply to that.
Sir, in fact, the national convener of Aam Aadmi Party, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, is saying that he's basically blaming the BJP. He's saying that it is because the BJP is nervous because these schemes, these announcements are making people happy, and that is the reason why they are getting nervous. Goons are also being sent to his house for this, so that this can be stopped. So now they are saying that it is only because being questioned because the elections are coming in, and that is the only reason why such kind of matters are coming up.
But first of all, the scheme came up because elections are closed. Why have they not paid this money in Delhi? Let him answer this question. See, this, this kind of talking about something else when you ask, Arvind Kejriwal is in the habit of avoiding every question asked of him. He has absolutely no honesty or integrity to ask any question that is asked of him. I found him to be in that sense one of the probably most, dishonest politician in terms of, the way he addresses and finds himself accountable to people.
One last question I would like to ask, as today also the Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MP Mr. Sanjay Singh has retaliated the demand that an action should be taken against Mr. Ajay Maken for making allegations against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal.
Look, in my letter to the LG, I've clearly mentioned all the other parties who also been indulging in practices like this. So it's not that we've not mentioned their name. But you see, the seriousness of a government frauding is far, far more than an individual person trying to lure people by a kind of 1,100 rupee bribe.
Let's now go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is joining us live for more on this. Niyamika, now whatever Sandeep Dixit said are very, very serious allegations against its own ally in the INDIA bloc. That's the that's the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, indeed, these are very serious allegations which are being levelled against Mr. Arvind Kejriwal as well as the entire Aam Aadmi Party, as it is the Congress Party's candidate from the New Delhi constituency, Mr. Sandeep Dixit, who had given 3 complaints to the Delhi's Lieutenant Governor. One is that the Aam Aadmi Party is basically trying to fraud people by making such kind of announcements regarding giving money to the women of the national capital. As for that reason, he had also pointed out that on one side it is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal who had made this announcement that the Aam Aadmi Party, if they will come into power, then they will give 2,100 rupees. On the other side, it was the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi who had given this statement that 1,000 rupees are already being given by the Delhi government to the women of the national capital. But just a few days before, it was a government ad which was being published in various newspapers, in which it was being stated by the Aam Aadmi Party government that there is no such scheme which is being implemented on the ground. So he has now questioned that why such kind of contradiction is being seen. One side, there is a statement which has been given by the Delhi's Chief Minister Atishi, in which she has mentioned that such kind of scheme is already operational on the ground. On the other side, there is a government ad which is stating that there is no such scheme which is there in the national capital. So basically, Mr. Sandeep Dixit has said that whatever promises are now being made by the Aam Aadmi Party in view of the elections, that is basically a fraud. In fact, a mass fraud which the Aam Aadmi Party is doing, and not just this, but in fact, he has also questioned that why the personal details of the people of Delhi is being sought out by the Aam Aadmi Party for this particular scheme, as if they are really doing a fraud, then it is a crime to take the personal details of any individual who is living in the national capital.
All right. Thank you, Niyamika, for the moment, for joining us and putting things in perspective for our viewers. In fact, on the other hand, the Bharatiya Janata Party has upped the ante against the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that they are trying to steal the data of people through this registration drive. Listen in.
AAP का मतलब है और अधिक प्रपंच, और अधिक प्रोपेगेंडा, और अधिक पाप, और अब AAP का मतलब बन चुका है फ्रॉड पार्टी। और इस फ्रॉड का एक प्रमाण तब मिला जब आम आदमी पार्टी ने 2 स्कीम के बारे में बताया, जो स्कीम सरकार की तरफ से लागू ही नहीं की गई है, और उसमें आम आदमी पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता डेटा कलेक्ट करने भी लग गए। आम आदमी पार्टी सच में कटिबद्ध है महिलाओं के सम्मान के लिए, तो जो पंजाब में वादा किया था 1000 रुपए प्रति महिला को देने का, कितनी महिलाओं को दिया? मार्च में भी घोषणाएं दिल्ली में की थी। तो सरकार में आप है, आप डेटा क्यों कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, रजिस्ट्रेशन क्यों करवा रहे हैं? शुरू कर दीजिए ना स्कीम।
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी दिल्ली की जनता का डेटा चुराने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। एक ऐसी स्कीम जो है ही नहीं, उसके बहाने वो दिल्ली के वोटर्स का डेटा स्टील करना चाहते हैं और अपने चुनावी फायदे के लिए इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं। ऑन पेपर दिल्ली सरकार का नोटिफिकेशन ये कहता है कि महिला सम्मान योजना है ही नहीं। ऑन पेपर दिल्ली सरकार का नोटिफिकेशन कहता है कि संजीवनी योजना है ही नहीं। अरविंद केजरीवाल और आम आदमी पार्टी एक बड़ा स्कैम को अंडरगो कर रही है और एक बड़े स्कैम को मास्टर कर रही है। इसकी जांच का स्वागत हम करते हैं।
विधानसभा चुनाव जीतना है तो अरविंद केजरीवाल और उसकी आम आदमी पार्टी किस निचले स्तर तक जा सकती है, आज उसकी एक वानगी आपको हम दिखाते हैं। और वोट कैसे बनाए जा रहे हैं उसकी एक वानगी देखिए। ये 4 अभियुक्त पकड़े गए हैं। ये एफआईआर दर्ज कराई है इलेक्शन कमीशन, दिल्ली के इलेक्शन कमीशन ने। 4 अभियुक्त पकड़े गए हैं। नकली दस्तावेज, नकली आधार कार्ड, नकली बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट, नकली बिजली के बिल, ये सबमिट कराकर लोगों के वोट बनाने का काम जोरों पे चल रहा है।
And with this, we will slip into a very, very short break. More news and updates coming your way on the other side. Stay with us.